Hi, assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Arif Ashraf bin Abdul Kadir. So today is a lab test for the high voltage. Okay, for the lab voltage have for the lab test high voltage have three questions. So for the first question is okay. This one. Okay, we have the test transformers measuring capacitor, grounding switch, discharge electrode, top electrode, sphere gap, connection rod, connection cup, floor pedestal, and secondary part for the CM. Okay, this one. Okay, for the next question is draw the electrical schematic diagram for the AC generation and measurement by considering high voltage transformers, conductor, and voltage divider apparatus. Okay, please copy and paste the picture of the apparatus in the schematic. Okay, for the first is this one is this is the uh, register, charging register. So for the schematic diagram, sorry, this is uh, this is the resistor, and this is the capacitor. So the capacitor schematic diagram is This is the 1200 equal. Okay, the next is we call it as switching spark gap. Okay, this is the spark gap. This is the spark gap. So the schematic diagram for the spark gap is okay. Next thing is the secondary 19 capacitor connected in parallel. So we have the switching spark gap. Okay, the capacitor must be connected with the parallel. So the capacitor will be like this one. So be connected. This one is a varistor. So varistor is one. So be connected like parallel. So for the parallel, this one is so this one is 1. So will be connected until 19. This one is 19. Then it will be connected to the ground. Okay. The next thing is switching gap. So be connected to the switching gap. Okay. So this one must be connected with the switching gap. Switching gap will be connected in series. Sorry, this is not a switching gap. This one is a spark gap. So spark gap be connected in series and then will be connected to the ground. This one is the spark gap. This one is the spark gap. Okay. And then
masa masih ada 1 jam lagi.
will be connected with the spark gap. Then for the same, there is definitely the secondary unit for the AC. Secondary unit of the AC. So this is the secondary AC. So for the schematic diagram, it will look like this one. This is a transformer, secondary transformer. Okay, next thing is so the terminate B1 BM1 is using the coaxial cable. So frequency converter. So the frequency converter is this one. So for the schematic, basic schematic is using the rectifier. And the circuit. And lastly is inverter. And motor. So this using the frequency converter. Okay. And for the converter and picoscope. So picoscope, something connected like this one. It is connected from the picoscope to the laptop to analysis the uh, analysis the graph like oscilloscope. So basically the picoscope will be using the cable, coaxial cable to display the output. Okay, index off for the section 2. Okay, next for the section 3, they will have the safety and rules. Okay, so okay, from this video you can see uh, the 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 safety uh, not safety enough, and then the grounding, planning, the caging are intact to the safety place. Okay, so for my comment is safety, there's no grounding, so the safety planning, caging and connection cable are not disorderly and messy. So you have to put the connection cable safety for the long term. Okay, for the battery. So this is caging is to prevent the outside people came into the field testing. Okay, so be aware this is the high voltage, so you must be on the safety precautions highly. Okay. Okay, I think that's all. Okay, assalamualaikum.